Welcome to e-learning center of the Doon Public School, Prayagraj. I am Manish Shukla. Today I will explain class 8th subject SST topic history. In this topic is history of the modern India. Before starting the chapter, please like, subscribe and press bell icon of the YouTube channel of the school so you can get the notifications of a new video. In this chapter, I would like to discuss whenever we talk about history of a country, we divide it into three periods: ancient, medieval, and modern periods. The modern period is marked by some specific features of development. In Europe, the modern period is started much earlier than in the East. It was a period of revival or rebirth. This period is known as the beginning of age of Renaissance. The Industrial Revolution was an economic revolution that started in Britain during 18th century. The modern period is marked by some features of its development. Main features are by which we can decide or say that the country is developed or developing. Industrialization, technological advancement, discoveries, explorations, commercial enterprise based on manufacture and trade, formation of nation states, etc. Modern period in India, the end of the medieval period saw the disintegration of the Mughal Empire after the Aurangzeb. After his death in 1707, the Mughal Empire went into rapid decline. The later Mughals ruler did not have the capabilities needed to hold this vast empire together. Powerful new kingdoms were established by the Marathas and the Sikhs. Europeans had entered India as traders and had established their trading posts. The England and the French companies saw it as an opportunity for establishing a political and territorial future in India. This led to the beginning of Anglo-French rivalry, which ended with the establishment of the British Dominion. By 1763, the French were almost dislodged from India. After the defeat of Marathas armies by the Afghan invaders at the Battle of Panipat near Delhi in 1761, the British gained supremacy in India. The British then concentrated on the gradual expansion of their Indian territory, beginning with Bengal in the Battle of Plassey in 1757 and the Battle of Buxar in 1765. The British East India Company now directly administered many parts of India. After 1818, when the last Maratha war ended, the British were masters of India. Within 100 years, they had moved being mere traders to being the ruler of the Indian subcontinent. Sources of modern Indian history are the sources are divided into categories. First, primary sources. Under primary sources, literary and artistic proofs such as books, paintings, officials records, and survey reports are included. Second point, these sources have been preserved in archive and museums. Third point, artifacts from archaeological sites, coins, monuments, inscriptions, autobiographies, etc. are all primary sources. In secondary sources, articles, reports, books, and reviews are included in secondary sources. These sources are the result of conclusion and research reached by historians and writers. These secondary sources are usually collected and put together by people who study primary sources. After the summary of the chapter, short question answer. Please write down these in your notebook. Question number first: in how many periods can be history of a country be divided? What are those periods? A country, the history of a period can be divided into three periods. Those are ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. Question second: which event is considered to be a beginning of the modern period of Indian history? The modern period of Indian history is considered to being with the conquest of India by the British in the 18th century. Question third: what are the characteristics feature of the modern period? Answer: features of the modern period are urbanization, nationalism, democracy, socialism, scientific and technological progress. Question 4: which major event marked the 18th century in England? Answer: Industrial Revolution was marked as the major event in 18th century in England. Now fill in the blanks. Please write these fill in the blanks in your notebook by pausing the video. Please write neat and clear so you can study at your home. Now MCQ. Please also write down these in your notebook. Match the following. Thanks a lot.